Hi, so this week's grammar we're going to be looking at adverbs, carrying on from the work that we've been doing over the past couple of weeks. So just a quick recap. What is an adverb? Okay, so the types of adverbs we've been looking at so far have been ones as follows: happily, carefully, very, sadly, loudly, joyfully, angrily, quietly, carelessly, energetically and nervously. There are many more, but what do all of those words have in common? Bar one. That's right, they all end in an ly. We will look at other types over the next few weeks. And they describe how something is done. So can we identify an adverb in this sentence? Ben bravely opened the mysterious door. Give you a moment to spot it. That's right, the adverb was bravely. Ben bravely opened the mysterious door. Now, this week we're going to be looking at how you can switch the position of an adverb in a sentence to vary your writing. So rather than just put in Ben bravely opened the mysterious door, you could actually change it to bravely Ben opened the mysterious door, which places the adverb first. Remembering, of course, if you do that, it will require a capital letter. Now you have a try. So here's our sentence. Sophie skipped happily down the road. First, identify the adverb. Give you a moment to think about that. That's right, the adverb is happily. Now I'd like you to switch the position of it in the sentence. Pause if you need a little longer to think. Happily, Sophie skipped down the road. And again, you'll note the capital letter at the start of the sentence. So last week we had a look at how changing an adjective into an adverb sometimes alters the spelling of the root word. So we'll just have a little recap on that. We start with quick, nice straightforward example. Quick will change into quickly. Nothing needs to alter there at all because the root word, the adjective, doesn't end in a Y. But the next example is a little trickier. The word happy does end in a Y. What happens when we switch an adjective that ends in a Y to an adverb? The Y turns into an I. So example, in funny, the Y here, you can see it's changed to an I here, and then we add the ly. So I'll give you a moment to think what happens to happy. Okay, well, happy ends in a Y, so it's going to change to an I, and then I'm going to add ly, giving me the word, the adverb, happily. Okay, I'd like you to pause this for a moment and have a look at all the other adverbs that you're going to make and see if you can identify what the spellings of each will be. Okay, I'll go through those solutions with you. So brave is a nice straightforward one. It doesn't end in a Y, so we can simply add ly, bravely. Brief ends in an F. So again, nice and straightforward, we could just add the ly, briefly, meaning quickly, a short period of time. Now angry, if I look at angry, the adjective does end in a Y, so I know that Y must change to an I before I add the ly, angrily. Nice, it's going to change to nicely, nice straightforward. That doesn't end in a Y. There's no Y here, so Y's will just change to wisely with the addition of an ly. Sneaky. Sneaky does end in a Y. So sneaky is going to change from a Y to an I, so it will become sneakily. How did you do on those? So, over to your work task for today. Here I have a collection of adverbs for you that we've just seen in our spelling activity. All I would like you to do is to use one of these adverbs at the beginning now of a sentence. So I want you to switch the position of the adverb and place the adverb at the front. So the first sentence being, the boy skipped cheerfully, so that's the adverb. I've highlighted it in this sentence to ease you in gently, down the street, and it will become cheerfully, and then I need you to complete the sentence, please. In the second one, you need to identify the adverb for yourself before switching the adverb to the beginning, to the front of the sentence. And now I'd like you to choose any one of these adverbs and use it to make a sentence with the adverb first. I look forward to seeing your work on Class Dojos. Enjoy!